My name is Nolan Kane. I'm a professor here at the University of Colorado in the Ecology and Evolutionary Biology Department. I study sunflowers and chocolate and cannabis. Right now, we're in the process of building the first ever genetic map of cannabis, trying to understand why it does what it does.
One of the goals of this project is to bring the incredibly important and financially important crop of cannabis to the level of basically every other modern crop that we have. We have the genomes of corn, rice, soy, any crop that you can think of. We are understanding it at the genomic level, and that's something that is distinctly lacking in the cannabis crop.
This research is going to be very important, not only for industry and for science, but also for medicine. And this research would position Colorado as the economic and scientific lead in hemp and marijuana industry.
In Colorado, we have a rare opportunity to study cannabis, which has a very long history of domestication in many different human cultures. This is very interesting from a basic science perspective because we can trace the history of the plant and see what changes have occurred over time.
Investment in these basic genomic resources is going to directly translate into efficiency and quality control that a lot of breeders and producers are currently struggling with.
My name is Ben Holmes. I'm the founder of Centennial Seeds in Lafayette, Colorado. I produce varietal cannabis and hemp seed. The research produced by the CGRI will enable breeders and growers to apply modern genomic methods to developing certified cannabis and hemp varieties. Gene-assisted selection capabilities would shorten the time to market for new seed varieties.
Cannabis is a very charismatic plant. It has a lot of different attributes and traits. Humans have such a long history with cannabis, and we've used it for many different purposes over large periods of time. Because of all those varietals, we should see very interesting patterns in the genes and the genomes of these different individuals.
So we would like to bring cannabis into the 21st century by sequencing the genome, by characterizing the genetic variation, the gene pool of cannabis, so that we can more intelligently select desirable traits, so that we can develop strains more quickly, more cost effectively, and essentially bring it to the level of every other major crop that's out there.